Hello, come to the Shankutla Devi's channel, and this is English learning. Okay, so come to some definition like subject, predicate, phrases, class. What is subject? Subject is the person or thing performing action. Means the subject is the doer of work. Okay, and come to the predicate. Predicate indicates the action performed by the subject. Means the part which describes the subject is known as predicate. Like I watch TV. Here I is a subject and watch TV is a predicate. Okay, now come to the phrase. A group of words that make a sense but not complete sense. Means that make a sense but not complete sense. Like open the gate, close the gate, sit down. This make a sense but not complete sense, Come to the class. A group of words which make complete sense and has a subject and predicate. Means a total complete sentence is known as a class. Like I watch TV, it is totally class. Okay, now come to our main topic, parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Come to the noun. What is noun? Noun is the word used as a name of a person, place, thing, ideas, etc. Means any name that is known as a noun. Like there are different kind of noun. The common noun like football, carpenter, sun, girl, cat, duck, city. Means it is common noun. The girl that you don't know what type of girl or which type of girl. So a common girl. So here is a girl means a common name. Here is also a son, carpenter, football is also a common name. Okay, the proper noun. Proper noun means the particular name of a person, or place or thing. Like Helen Keller. Helen Keller is a particular name of a girl. Krishna is the particular name of a boy. Monday, Japan. The Mohenjo-daro is the particular name of a place. Okay, the material noun. The material noun is made up of something like gas, tea, biryani, sand, iron, smoke, water. This is made up for something. The collective noun. Collective nouns means the collection of the noun like gang, community, family, crowd, staff, team, firm. Collection of noun or collection of words that you can say. Community is the collection of families. Family is a collection of member. Crowd is the collection of people. Gang is a collection of also people. Okay, the uncountable noun and the countable noun. Here is the first and the countable noun that you can count easily. Okay, a rainbow you can count easily. Balloon you can count easily. Picture, umbrella, Iceland. The uncountable noun that you can't easily count, like milk, grass, coffee, sugar, food, etc. Can you count this? No. The abstract noun means the idle names, means that you can feel but you can't touch, like weakness, idea, lie, thought, truth, anger, intelligence, growth. Okay, this is known as the abstract noun. That's only you can feel. Okay, come to the pronoun. Pronoun is the word used in the take place of a noun. Means pronoun used instead of a noun. The personal pronoun like he, she, it, they, we, I, us, his, her, me. 3 type of personal. The first person pronoun, second personal pronoun, third person pronoun. I and we, that is speaking, is the first person pronoun. They is speaking, not they are we are speaking, like they second person pronoun, and he, she, it, whom we are talking about is the third person pronoun. Okay, the reflexive pronoun is the reflection of a subject. Okay, is the reflection of a subject like myself, yourself, ourself, himself, itself, herself. I broke the glass myself is the reflection of a subject. The demonstrative pronoun this, that, those, this. The demonstrative pronoun point out the object, like this is an apple. Point out the object, apple. Okay, the possessive pronoun shows the ownership, like mine, your, their, his, hers, ours. This pen is mine. Okay, the distributive pronoun like each, either, neither. Okay, the relative pronoun like who, which, whose, that, whom. Relative pronoun point out whom we are talking about, like who broke the glass. Okay? The indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun is the shows someone, some person, but not a particular person. Okay? Anyone, anybody, somebody. This is known as indefinite pronoun. Come to the adjective. An adjective is the describing word. It describes noun and pronoun. Okay? Adjective of quality, like honest, foolish, beautiful, dirty, hot. There may be a good quality or bad quality is known as adjective of quality, like honest girl. Honest girl. Honest is an adjective and girl is noun. It describes the noun, like not. Okay. Adjective of quantity, means much, how, some, any, sufficient. Like much sugar means much is an adjective and sugar is noun. Okay. An adjective of number, like there are two types, cardinal and ordinal. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 is a cardinal and first, second, third, fourth, fifth is an ordinal. Okay. Come to the distributive adjective, like each girl, every person, neither he. That describes the adjective. Each is that describes the noun. Okay, each is adjective. Girl is a noun. Okay, the demonstrative adjective, like this house, that man, those apple. Okay, the possessive adjective is also shown in a shape, like your room, my phone, our country. This describes the noun pronoun. Okay, interrogative adjective ask the question, like which shirt, what time it is. Okay. Come to an verb. The verb describes action. Okay, like watch, write, eat, kicks, walk, sleep, come, work, go. Any work, that is verb. There are three types of verb: main verb, primary helping verb, modal helping verb. Main verb is work, any work. Watch, write, eat, kick, that you have learned. Okay. Primary helping verb helps in tenses and it works with the main verb. Do, does, did, is, am, was, were, have, has, had. Okay. There are four types of tenses: indefinite tense and continuous tense and perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Do, does is present indefinite tense and did is a past indefinite tense, is, am, are is a present continuous tense and was, were is a past continuous tense, have, has is a present perfect tense and had is a past perfect tense. This helps in tenses. Okay, modal helping verb helps to show ability, permissions, etc. It also works with the main verb. Okay, can, could, may, might, will, should, would. Can you do this? Okay, this is modal helping verb. Okay, now come to an adverb. Adverb is a describing word. It describes verb and adjective. Okay, it describes verb and adjective, like adverb of place, here, there, outside, inside, upstairs, downstairs, everywhere, about, near. I fall downstairs. Here, fall is verb and downstairs is an adverb. Okay. Adverb of time shows time. Tomorrow, today, next year, now, before, early, this year, now, late, soon, just. This shows the time. Okay. Adverb of manner. Manner shows manners. Closely, clearly, quickly, brightly, suddenly, foolishly. Okay. Quickly, run quickly. So run is a verb and quickly is a adverb. Okay. Adverb of duration, for ages, very short time, all day, for 60 days, for 90, for 9 years, shows long duration, maybe short duration. The duration shows adverb of duration, but it describes verb and adjective. If you have a verb and adjective, so you may have an adverb. Okay. Adverb of frequency shows frequently. Do you do work daily, always, usually, often, normally, thrice, ever. Okay. Comparison of adverb. Okay. Adjective degrees you have learned about. So this adverb is also help in describe the adjective. Okay, much more, most, very, little. More beautiful, beautiful is adjective, and more is an adverb. Okay, come to the preposition. The preposition is a word that shows the position, relation, direction. Okay, simple preposition and compound preposition. Simple preposition, at, on, by, for, from, upon. Okay, my phone is on the table. Okay, my phone is on the table. This shows the position of a phone, you know. Okay, and who is at the door? Who is at the door? Shows the position. Who is? Compound preposition is a compound, in compound, you know, among, between, beyond, across, around, underneath. The Arjun is seated between two boys. So between shows also the position, you know. Okay. Now come to the conjunction. The conjunction is a linking word which joins words and sentence. Conjunction is a linking word, you know. If okay, coordinative conjunction, subordinative conjunction. First you have learned what is the difference between coordinative conjunction and subordinate conjunction. Okay. One is there are two types of sentence, you know. One is dependent and other is independent. Dependent sentence is depend and another sentence. It requires another sentence, but independent sentence can stand itself. Okay. Okay. Coordinative conjunction connects two independent sentence that can stand by itself, but we can connect these two sentences with coordinative conjunction, like for and therefore, neither, but also either, both. Okay. Subordinate conjunction connects one independent sentence to other dependent sentence, like if, since, unless, that, there, where, though, when, why, how, that, you know. Correlative conjunction is the collection of conjunctions, but not but also, you know. Compound conjunction is the group of words, like as well as soon as, even if. This also the compound conjunction helps in the sentence to connect two sentence, three sentence, four sentence, whatever sentence. Okay. Now come to our last topic, interjection. Interjection is a word which is used to show certain feeling and emotions, you know. Oh, what a shame. Oh dear, what a nuisance. Goodbye. Wow, no problem. Gosh, help. Happy New Year. Cheers. This shows the feeling, you know. You can feel something. Okay, but in verbally you speak like, oh my god. So what do you speak? It's a feeling. It's a feeling of yours. Okay. So here is our topic, and thanks for watching my channel, and like my channel and subscribe my channel.